This is a message to Carl Crusher. If you're serious and you want to come out to New Jersey, I'll help you. I'm a veteran, 18 years of service. I did a lot of stuff. I worked as an MP. I did undercover investigations. I was infantry. I got honor graduated infantry. I have everything on my DD-214s. I have it all. I was damaged and I am total and permanent disabled, and they retired me early. I currently live in New Jersey, close to NAFAC's 177 Fighter Wing. I videoed last night drones, and I have some friends still in different agencies. I was told that these are our military drones, and that what they're doing is they're calculating positions between DC, the home, our capital, and New York. And in between those, almost exactly, is where the drop zone is going to be for a payload. They're going to hit the base and Trump's golf course. I heard it's going to be within 60 days. This government agency is covering up. It's a black government agency. I can't tell you too much more because I'm actually scared that the FBI is going to come and question me. I know what's going on. They're going to drop a payload in New Jersey. The reason the drones started up there around Trump's golf course and that is because that is the center point. Within 5 miles, everything will be eviscerated. Within 20 miles, you're going to get radiation damage. And within 50 miles, you can still have nuclear fallout, which will reach almost all the way down to Atlantic City, up to New York, and to DC. Look on a map so you can see what I'm talking about. I can't give you too much information over YouTube because I don't want them to assassinate me. But I promise you, if we meet, I can't talk about it on the phone. I will fly to you because I am so serious about what is happening and what is going to happen. This is going to be 9/11 all over again. Our government was in on 9/11. We all know it, especially the veterans. We all know it. They are going to drop a payload in New Jersey. They cannot do it in Washington, D.C. because it'll be too obvious and it'll kill too many important people. They can't do it in New York because they already did it for 9/11. They're going to hit a midpoint between the two. It just so happens to be Trump's golf course and the other base. I'm telling you, I promise you, I was given this information. It's going to happen. If I die, then you know what I'm telling you is true. If this gets wiped from the internet,